And just like that, I think I'm live. Am I? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I think I am live. Yes, I am. Oh, you guys are in for a treat, I think. I hope. I've never played this game. By the way, welcome everyone. I've never played this game, so it's gonna be a blind try. I don't know how broken this game is. It's a fan-made thing, project, whatever. And I don't know. I don't know what to expect, honestly. Hey, Flarewolf. Try again. Flarewolf is first. Welcome. Hey, Madzaya, welcome. Nice to see you. Alright, so here's what's going on. Somebody made a Resident Evil game. Alright, it's the first Resident Evil game, but they made it in first person. And from what I've seen, it looks really good. Hey, Levi, or Levi. I don't know how to say it. I always call you Levi, and I think I got it right. But everyone on other streams, they call you Levi, and I don't know. This is what I want to see. Yeah, I want to see this too. I only watched screenshots and just a few clips, but very short ones, because I didn't want anything spoiled, so I don't know what to expect. I don't know the controls. I know nothing. All right, so we're gonna get this game. All right, hold on. I need to tweet the stream out real quick. Bear with me for a second. Bear with me for a second. Alright, so according to this, it has been tweeted, but I want to make sure. Alright, so according to this, it has been tweeted. Yes, looks like it. Let me try, let me give it a go. Yes, it has been tweeted. Okay. Nice. Alright, let's go. Call me what you want. I started calling you Levi, and I'm gonna keep calling you Levi. Alright, hey Jill Gomez, welcome! Jill is awesome. Alright, here we go. All I know is that this game, somebody... Alright. Alright, let's go. I think there's a cutscene, and I'm gonna leave it, because I don't know how long this game is, so at least... Let's go. Resident Evil. I hope the audio's fine. I hope you can hear the game fine.
Alpha Team is flying around the forest zone, situated in northwest Raccoon City, where we are searching for the helicopter of our compatriots, Bravo Team, who disappeared during the middle of their mission.
Found it yet?
No, not yet.
So apparently he left the cutscene on, which is fine by me. I'm gonna leave it going.
Cases have recently occurred in Raccoon City. There are outlandish reports of families being attacked by a group of about 10 people. Victims were apparently eaten. The Bravo Team was sent in to investigate, but we lost contact.
Look, Chris.
Bravo Team's helicopter was a derelict. Save for the remaining body of Kevin. We continued our search for the other members.
Julian! I thought I was muted. I'm not.
A nightmare.
Julian. I'm having a great day. Actually, I did have a great day. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet. I mean, we've all seen this. I'm just letting this go because, I mean, we don't know how long this game is, so we're just gonna watch the cutscene for a little bit. Why not? Oh, by the way, guys, I bought an amazing Funko Pop. It's Jill! I gave in. Doggy! I love this part when Chris goes, Wesker goes.
Chris,
Chris, this way.
Chris, this way. I love that. Chris, this way. I don't know which scenario we're playing. Are we playing as Jill or Chris now? We don't know.
Damn it. Make for that mansion.
Let's see who's narrating. Oh, that's it. That's it. Hey, Stephanie! Stephanie, nice to see you. You know what, Stephanie? I was lurking on your streams today. I was there. But I didn't have time to chat, so I'm sorry about that. I did leave a like, but I was there. I was lurking. But I had to go out, so I was getting ready, doing my hair, and tying up my shoelace, and I was there, but yeah. Anywho, you know, I was thinking maybe I should increase the brightness of the stream. Perhaps. Can I do that? Hold on a sec real quick, guys. Maybe it's too dark for you guys. Give me a sec. I need to increase the gamma. Is that it? Yes, I'm gonna increase the gamma, guys, because I think it's too dark for you. So maybe it's better now? Is it better now? Hold on, let me just take a look. I'm watching my own stream. Yeah, much better. Oh, it looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous for you guys. You're welcome, guys. Why am I in why am I in this mode now? I shouldn't be like this though. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so we are in first person. We really are. Ammo? Is that ammo? Can I pick it up? What do I press? Oh, nice. Ooh, it's so good! It's so good! I want to check that downstairs real quick. Alright, there should be a door here somewhere, but nothing. It's completely dark. No problems, no problems. I want to check around real quick, see what's what. Does this door open? Actually, I'm not going to try opening doors. I don't want to go through doors and get confused already. I'm not going to attempt opening doors for now. I'm just going to look around real quick. Looks so good, man. This guy did a real good job. I'm going to start with the bottom floor. Let's go. May I remind you guys, this is my first time playing this. It looks amazing for a fan made. I agree. It really looks good. Alright, let's try opening this door. Okay. Nothing. It's just locked. It doesn't even say you need this key or that key. I don't know. It doesn't say anything. So let's try this door. No, that's the main door actually. Shall we try to go through that? Let's see. This one says a sword is carved. Okay, so we need a sword key for that one. What about this? Let's try opening this door. Doesn't say anything actually. It doesn't respond. Nothing. Okay. I actually risked bad stuff happening. Let's go through this door. V4! Mwah! Uh-oh. You wanna know what I think? It seems that they remade the game because the lighting and the color are very... yeah, they did an amazing job. It looks amazing. It looks amazing, I agree. There's no chairs here though. I hear zombies though. It's amazing that you can look up actually. Oh wow, there's one up there! You can catch me, la 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 la. Can they go down? Mr. Zomb! Whoa, 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 what did I just hear? Whoa, look at that! Okay. Okay. That's not good. Mr. Zomb. Don't you dare. Hold on, I'm trying to get a good shot. Did I hit him? Am I even hitting him? This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Ah, ah, ah. This doesn't look good. I can't hit him! I don't know what I'm doing wrong! Alright, let's try again. What? What? I'm out of ammo! Oh no, nope, 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 nope. Oh, of course it's locked. Oh man! This doesn't look... Oh, of course there's crates blocking the way. Oh man. Come on, man. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I'm just gonna run. Just gonna run. Ah! Come on! I can't shoot. I don't have ammos. Oh man! What do I do? What do I do? Run past him! I can't run past him! What the just happened? Did I fly? I died. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! I flew for a little bit, and I realized like I can jump now in this game. Because therefore it was remade using the remake scenarios, but the sound of the zombie steps are from the... I noticed that Levy. Now I'm confused. I noticed that. Yeah, it's a good thing that they're slow. I'm gonna try again, and this time... Hold on a sec, I got one of these notifications, these annoying Windows notifications. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. It's fine. It's fine. Until I get used... I'm gonna skip the cutscene now. We've seen this.
Alpha.
Oh. Let's try again. I need ammo though. Where did I find ammo earlier? Was it here? Where was... There was ammo here. Oh, there it is. I couldn't hit them though. I don't know why. That's very annoying. That wasn't good. Let's try again. I love the music. It's so good. I'm gonna check my latency real quick. How is it? Oh, it's 10 seconds. That's not bad. Alright, let's continue. Okay. So the zombie opens the door. No. Open. Where are they? Zombie. There's one over there. There's one over here. Where's the other one? Come over here. Get over here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get both of them this way. Whoa! Okay, both of you, this way. This way. Alright, yes, I'm gonna get them to follow me this way. And then, well, I mean, the game is a bit broken, but it's fine. I mean, skip the ammo, it's useless. I don't know. Come this way. Come this way. This way. I had ammo, I just needed to reload. I don't know how to reload though. I don't know how to reload. I'm going this way now. Can I close the door again? Can I? No. Okay. There's more ammo here. Thank you very much. What? I can't go through? Oh man, this doesn't look good. Luckily they're slow. I couldn't go through. No, I'm not gonna bother with shooting. I think it's useless. What happens if I go through here? Does it work? No. This door does not exist. Jump. I can jump. Yes, I can jump. Look. Look. I can jump. Maybe I could have jumped over those crates earlier. I don't know. So, we're gonna go through here now. Hey, Dan! Is this a... No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not a Left 4 Dead mod, no. Where is he? He's over there. Zomb! This way. This way. Oh, there's two of them? God dang it. What am I gonna do? Alright, time to shoot again. Yes, it's working! Come on! Come on! You don't die! Oh, come on, game! Is there... Hey, Sakura! Hello! What's up, girl? How you doing? Man! Man, it's not working. Let's try again. I'm not gonna give up. Never gonna give you up. President Evil. President Evil.
Alpha team is flying.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do... Okay, speedrun now. So pick up those ammo over there. Maybe I can need to shoot them in the head. I don't know. How you doing? You sound so sexy. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. I'm doing great, though. Yeah, I will try Mercenaries. Let's try the main game first. Let's see how far I can get in the main game. Let's see how big the main game is. Mercenaries is just an extra mode, apparently. So that's fine. It's annoying that I cannot take down zombies, eh? It's, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright. None of them are moving right now. So... Okay. Alright! Alright! I had to hit them in the head then. Don't you dare get up. Is he getting back up again? No, we're good. Guys, it's hard, huh? It's not easy. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That was a genuine jump scare. That was a genuine jump scare. GG game. You got me. Don't shoot like that. Shoot like this. Oh yeah. Wow, that's good. Oh come on, seriously? Another door? Another zombie popped out? Where is it? What did I hear? Oh, the one downstairs probably. Yes, the one downstairs popped out. Okay. No problemo. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of this guy now. Because since the door is open, he can follow me around. And I don't like that. Did I get him? Come on, try again. There we go. GG. Haha. Alright. Hey, Philly! I didn't try to scare you, Sakura. Can you imagine me playing this right now in the dark? Full screen? With the headphones on? It's a scary, if I do say so myself. What's going on here? It looks amazing. It looks really good. Where does this lead? Oh, I'm scared, huh? Whew. I am genuinely scared. I'm already lost in the mansion. Oh, herbage! Sweet, sweet herbage. Ah. Oh, that's it. So he just uses them right away. That's not good. At least there aren't any hunters around. Is that it? Nothing here? Come on, open. No? No, open? Apri! No, doesn't want to apri. Anything here? Did I? No, I was gonna say, did I pick up the painting? No. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. You like that, huh? You like the song? The ding-dong song? Anywho. Hey, Saranya! Welcome! I'm playing a very scary game right now. Nobody wants to understand how scary this is. Honestly, it's a good thing I increased the brightness, huh? This doesn't want to open either? Really? It's locked. So this room is pointless. Ah, come on, game. That's okay. Is there something I need to pick up here? No. How do I reload? That's the thing. I don't know how to reload. Oh yeah, that happens, V4. Yeah, that happens. That word is blacklisted. So, this is the same. Okay. They're not back, are they? Just want to make sure that there aren't any more. Okay, good. Ah, man, I need to take him down. Let's get a Chihuahua. Why Chihuahua? Alright, this guy's gonna get it. This guy's gonna get it. I'm gonna aim for the head. Just like... Oh, come on. Just like Levi suggested. Come on. In the face. In your face! I should have tried shooting the locks. You're right, Levi, but whatever now. I think I need keys, though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What did I hear? What did I hear? Ah, what? A crimson head! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? A crimson head! Alright, we can take him down. Ah! How do I reload? How do I reload? Oh man! Oh man, I need to figure out how to reload. Ah! A crimson head! I didn't expect crimson head! Hey, Wesker! He's lurking with one eye. Wesker be lurking with one eye. Oh man, that was scary. How am I gonna do this? How do I reload? I need to... I can jump. You can jump in a Resident Evil game. Oh man. Alright. So, how do I do this? How do I reload? I need to figure out how to reload. That doesn't work. I'm gonna push all the buttons. So, enter, tab, shift, control. I can't shoot. Alright, so I'm gonna push all the buttons, I'm sorry. Push forward. Oh! Oh yeah, baby! I'm ready for more action. Come at me, Crimson Head. That scared me, huh? That genuinely scared me. Whew. Where is the Crimson Head? Crimson! Crimson. And it's a good thing that the door is left open because I can actually go around here. Yeah, it is a bit buggy. I mean, it's playable though, huh? I've played worse. Oh man, the Crimson Head's gonna be like, there you are! Come get it, sucker. Come get it, sucker. Alright, get your aim on. Pew! As Sakura would say, pew, pew, pew. Oh, I got him. Whew. I'm hurt, but I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. It's very hard to shoot like this, but oh man, I did it. What was the button? It was R. Duh, R for reload. Okay, but I'm injured, huh? I need to be careful now because you don't pick up the herbage, you just use them right away, and that's not good. Oh, good. Nice. Ah. Alright, so this... Yeah, it is a bit weird to maneuver, but it's okay. I'm still enjoying this. It's locked. I'm still enjoying this. It's really good. I just need to increase the sensitivity of the mouse, I think. Locked as well. It's like, to turn around, to do a 360 degrees. Hang on, can I actually? No, can I actually? No, it doesn't. It doesn't do a quick turn. But to do not 360, 180 turn, I have to tap the mouse like 1, 2, 3, like from side to side with my. You see that 3 times. But anyway. Oh come on, seriously? You see how many times I have to like scroll with the mouse because not mouse really. I'm just using a touchpad, so it's even harder. But anyway. I still can't get over the fact that I'm playing a Resident Evil game. And I can jump. I like that. Alright, so this is locked as well, yeah? No, it's not. Uh-oh. Shh. I've been here, haven't I? And this doesn't lead anywhere, doesn't it? Let's try one more time. This door, it doesn't acknowledge this door, nothing. Try again, just to make sure I don't miss out on anything. The herbages are gone, and they don't come back apparently. Door doesn't exist either here. No, that's it. GG. No, that's... Okay, so this room is pointless, pretty much. No, nothing. So we're done here. Can I jump from here? Oh wow, I can. And I'm on the table. I'm on the table. That is awesome. Oh no. Get on there. Oh, I need to reload the gun. Thank you. Oh man. Are you calling? Whoa! There you go. Are you calling me fat, Sakura? Hmm? Are you calling me fat? Hmm? And he's GG. Nice. There should be another zombie, but... I'm gonna look around again here. So I can't jump over these crates, can I? No, it's just blocked. No. Okay. It's not a mod. Coinsy, is that right? Did I say that right? It's not a mod, and welcome to the stream, by the way. It's just a fan-made game, really. Ah, man. Oh, man. Zombie. Come get it, Chaka. Come get it. You have to shoot their heads, otherwise it's useless. You have to shoot in the... Come on. Did I get it? There we go. If you don't hit the head, it's useless. I got the name right. GG. Locked as well. Is this a... No, I thought it was a door. Like, what? I've never seen this door before. Pick these up. Now, feels like this is blocking. It's weird that I cannot access this door. It's like, there's a couch and it's blocking half the way, and... Can I jump? No, I can't. Vloggy's gonna dance and the zombie will throw dollars to him. Okay, no problem. No problem. Nothing is going to discourage me. The game looks amazing. I love it. It's a bit... couch puzzle. Maybe I need to push the couch. So I haven't got the key. I need the key to open here. Alright, let's go the other way. There's like two doors that I haven't tried opening yet, so let's try this one. Okay, nothing. Oh, another door. Can you finish this game or is it not finished? I don't think this game is finished yet, no. So I don't know how long this stream is gonna be. There's a zombie over there, guys. And it's very dark. You guys can see better than me, actually, because I increased the gamma for the zombies over there. I don't know if I can hit him with my gun. I can try. It's very dark. You guys can see better than me. Alright, so let's go. Let's try this. I don't think it's working though. He's coming though, huh? He's coming this way. No, I think he needs to open the door first. Come on, open the door. No. Oh, what's this? Nothing. Oh! Okay, now that's what I call horror. When you hesitate round corners and... Okay. Come on, zombie. There we go. Reloading. Reloading! Does anybody know the reference? When you reload, it goes, reloading! Okay. Hello, zombie. Hello. Hello, sir. Can I shoot you through the thing? Oh, yes, I can. GG. There you go. Can I open this? Ah, it's locked. You poop. No problem. Landlord zombie at your door. You better pay the rent. Oh, you. Man, it's really dark, huh? Any more zombies? No. Let's take this door first. This looks different. I'm not familiar with this area in the game. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not recognizing it in 3D, perhaps. I don't know. House of the Dead? No, it's not, actually. I think it's Time Crisis. Reloading! Action! I think it's Time Crisis. I know that in Left 4 Dead as well they do that. Reloading! Alright, this guy needs to go. You need to go, sir. You need to go, sir. There you go. Ah, 2 shots. 2 headshots and he's gone. I like that. It's so dark in this room. I don't like. Why do I have never heard this music before in a Resident Evil game? I don't know if it's like... Oh, hello. What's this? Nothing. Can I jump on the bed? Almost. I kind of can. Oh, the song looped. Did you hear that? Have you tried Zombie U? Honestly, Levy, I have the game, I own it, and I've never played it. I own the game, and I've never played it. I should. So many games that I need to stream. This is the door I came out of, yes? Yeah. Go through this door real quick. Let's see what's what. Hello? More zombies here? No? Ammo. Thank you. Zombies are all twins. Yeah, just like every zombie in Resident Evil. Toilet? No? 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 No need to go? What's that? A snake? What's that? It's not nice how the song loops, but anyway. You tried your best, game. You tried your best. Anything in here? No? Okay, we're out of here. We're out of here. Feels like that's where I need to go, but we shall see. Mac Knight! Mac Knight's in the house. Now we're all sorted. We're all sorted now that Mac Knight's here. Uh-oh. Oh, right in the middle of the corridor. So this is the door I came out of. Let's not forget that, guys. Any zombies around? It's so dark, I can't see anything, guys. I cannot see. Looks like the door's gone here. There used to be a door here, but now it's gone. There's a button. Whoa, 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 what do I hear? Who's coming? What the what? Okay, I don't like that. Hello? It's been a while since I played the Resident Evil game that actually scared me. Well, I mean, whoa, 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 there you are. There you are, my friend. You gonna get it, sucker. You gonna get it. Aim for the head, otherwise it's a useless shot. You have to go for the head. Giggity. Alright. Alright, what about this? It's a sentence card. Alright. What the? What just? Oh, come on, seriously? Out. Alright. No, come on, game, seriously? There's a switch, will you press it? And I pressed it. I was trying to read the sentence. I was still... Some guys are escaping. I just watched my own stream. I was trying to read the sentence and everything happened so fast. Like, no! Seems to be like a puzzle there. Oh, man. Shut up, V4. Shut up. Alright, okay, no problem. Vegas. It's one of Vloggy's farts. We can try this again. It's Mac Knight. It's actually, well, as you can see, it says alpha. You can't actually see that in the game, in the screen. Anyway, yeah, it's an alpha. At the bottom right, there's a thing that says alpha. So, anywho, let's try again. I'm not scared of you. Resident Evil. Let's try again. I'm gonna skip the cutscene because
Alpha team is...
So, now I know what I need to do. This area is pretty much useless, actually. I don't need to go there. I'm just gonna pick up the ammo. There's a crimson head. But I'm not gonna bother with the crimson head. I mean... Let's get out of here. No point. Fart kills. Fart kills! I'm gonna go up and continue where I left off. This was locked, yes? Yeah. There we go. This is where I... There's gonna be a zombie here as well, yes? Hello? Whoa! You're too close, man, for comfort. You're too close for comfort, man. I'm going to take my aim, take my time, and... Oh, come on, seriously? Booyah. You, sir. There we go. I abuse the fact that I can shoot you through there. Okay, I get it. I get it. Was there anything here? I think it was just some ammo. I'll take it. Milk, lemonade. Round the corner, fudge is made. Shut up. Shut up. No. Need to get this zombie. And I think... Oops, I pressed the Windows button instead. Sorry. Go down. There we go. There we go. Reloading. This room is from Seriously? Was that from Revelations? Oh, Revelations 1. I never finished that game, so I can't really say. Oh, that's nice. So we're getting a mix of rooms then. So this is the door I came out of. I'm just gonna go through here first. I'm not gonna push that button now. I don't care. There's gonna be a puzzle here then. I saw this guy. Whoa. Qui veut le préparer la guerre? Okay, I know some French. Qui veut le paix? Okay, who sees pain prepares the war? I don't get that. Qui veut la paix? Oh, paix is peace, I think. Qui veut... Okay, I don't care. Let's go. Alright, he's down. Well, it is in French, I'm sure, and it talks about peace and war. Qui veut la paix? Préparer la guerre. I tried to French it up. But yeah, I don't know what this is. What is this? A statue? There is a switch. A statue with a sword? I don't want to push that. What about this guy? A shield? Press it? No. A sword again. A shield again. And the sword and the shield. Okay. I don't know what I'm missing. hold on a sec. There's shield, axe. But they're all the same actually. Yeah. They're also no. This is a shield, isn't it? Yeah, it's a shield. So shields and swords all we have here. That's not good. And this has like an axe. There's a puzzle here. I don't know how to do it. Who wants peace? Be prepared for war, I think. I don't know. But the thing is, what happens if I push? I don't want to push it. I don't feel like dying again. It's very dark in here. Shh. I hear you, Zom. Just ignore me, okay? Whoa! Alright. Whew. If you want to hear me French it up, it's eau de fouf. Eau de fouf. Oh, come on, seriously, more zombies? Oh, okay. This looks familiar. Zombie! There we go. Please be locked. Please be locked. Otherwise I'm gonna start... Okay, good. Because I'm starting to get lost already. What the heck? Did you go up the stairs? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're too close, man. You're too close, my friend. I missed a shot. I didn't miss that one. I didn't miss that one. Okay. He went up the stairs, huh? He scared me. While I was looking at the door. You naughty, naughty. It's locked. It's good. Kind of happy I'm finding locked doors, to be honest with you, because... Oh man, that's a genuine scare, honestly. Honestly. Na, 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 na. Here we go. Oh, I missed a shot. There we go. There we go. Please be locked. Oh, no, it's not. So dark, I can't see anything. Of course there's zombies. Is the stream okay, guys? Can you see, can you hear? Is anything bothering you guys? Let me know. I want to make sure it's a good stream. I hear zombies though, huh? Mr. Zombie? Hello? Hello? I've never seen this room. Is it from Revelations as well? Hello? Don't you dare scare me, game. Ah! There you go, you did it. Thank you. You scared me, game. There we go. That's for scaring me. Is it the door I came from? I'm so confused. I don't know. It's not, is it? Is it? I don't know. I'm so confused right now. Yeah, it is. I'm going back again. I'm going back. I want to see what's what. I'm running out of ammo, huh? I need to be careful. So, okay, we're good, don't worry. We're good. Just gonna look around real quick. I wanna see if I missed anything. It may be a bit buggy, but you know what? It's giving me that horror feel. I'm enjoying it. Alright, let's go. Surprise. There we go. That's what you get. You sneak upon me, I'll sneak upon you. Oh, I've got some ammo at least. I may look like I'm aimlessly wandering around, but I'm not really. I'm just checking everything. Armor. Okay. You see, that gives me hope that this demo is not a short one. Or demo, I don't know. It's an alpha. It's an alpha, but it gives me hope. Out of here. This door is locked, we said. Yes? Okay. Okay, there's a healing item on the floor. I'm gonna leave it there for now. Please don't be locked. Please don't be locked. Ah! It's the safe haven over there. I could relax in there for a bit. Oh, come on. Seriously, game? What do I do now? Hmm? Whew. This music is fantastic. I love this music so much. What the heck? Look at that. That's from the first Resident Evil game.
We're searching for the helicopter of our compatriots Bravo team, who disappeared during the middle of our mission. Bizarre murder cases have recently occurred.
This is so good.
There are outlandish reports of families being attacked by a group of about 10 people
I want to see where this leads.
who were apparently eaten. Bravo team went to the hideout of the group and disappeared.
This is the old game. I love it. What? Don't die.
It was Bravo team's helicopter. Nobody was in it. But strangely, most of the equipment was still there.
This is so good.
However, we soon discovered why.
I want to watch the whole video. I want to see where it ends. Or what happens after I watch the whole thing. I'm just curious, really. Oh, this is the censored version. I don't think this made it to the US or EU. I think it was just Japan. Look at that. I think this is the one. This is the one that in which we see Chris smoking, I think. So awesome, man. Are we gonna get the intro for the game? You know the funny part is, this feels like Resident Evil 7 now with the tape.
There are only 3 STARS members left now. Captain Wesker, Jill, and myself. We don't know where Barry is.
Oh, we get the intro as well. Look, we're gonna get Chris smoking. Look at that. Yeah, I told you. This was the banned one. Is that it? That's it. That's as far as it goes. Interesting. Very interesting. That's it. I can't play it again. It's done. It is done. Well, that was interesting. I enjoyed watching that. Let's keep going. That was a nice break from the game. Break from the game. That's a weird way to put it. Ah, seriously, game? Can you please... No, can switch it back on. Alright, so we visited this door. We came out of this door. This is the thing that kills me, so I'm not gonna bother. And I came out of this door. I never tried this door. Yeah, it is from the original. Hey, Daryl, welcome. Yeah, I'm thinking that's what it does, to be honest with you, Flair. I think that's what it does. It gives me a key or something. Has to. Come on, it's a puzzle. Has to. Come on. Oh, really, game? I have to figure this puzzle out. Oh, man. Switch. Shield. Oh, I don't want to die. I really don't want to die. I don't feel like dying. I made a lot of progress. But I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna have to do this, because a sentence is crave. A sentence is crave. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. I'm gonna read the sentence again. I'm not gonna push the switch though. Alright? A sentence is crave. Si l'action peut donner le paix. There's the switch. One action will give you peace. One action will give you peace. How am I supposed to know which one? Come on, game. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm pressing all of them now. I don't know. There has to be a combination or something. Did I push all of them? Am I done? GG? No. Wait a sec. Oh man, I'm pushing all of them and I can re-push them again. I'm gonna die. I'm sure of it. Some gauze are escaping. Some gauze are escaping. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. Let's try mercenaries. Let's try mercenaries. Let's see where that takes us. Ooh, how interesting. Ooh, nice. There's an upgrade button? What does that do? What the heck? What's all this? I'm upgrading everything apparently. And I love that they use the image from Resident Evil 7. That is so awesome. I love that. I love that. That's so awesome. Alright, let's continue. So what do I do now? Escape? Enter? Let's try this one. Select stage. I am selecting this. Whoa. The music is fantastic, I love it. I don't know what's going on. Honestly! Whoa! Alright, now I know what's going on. Run, buddy, run! More are coming, okay. The music is awesome. Oh, I'm getting ammo as well. This is awesome. Whoa, Crimson Head! No! What? Did you? Daryl, seriously? Oh man, the one time I didn't turn on my notifications. Seriously? Oh man, really? Hold on, let me check. Hold on. I'm sorry, the one time I didn't. Hold on a sec. I'm so sorry about that. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, Daryl just donated 25 euros. That is so generous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hashtag Daryl. Thank you so much. Alright. Want to try again? That was awesome, guys. That was really awesome. Let's try again. Let's try again.
Resident Evil.
Seems like I didn't unlock anything. But everything is money. Look at that. Money, damage, clip size level, fire rate level. Alright. How do I exit? Enter, space. Pressing everything now. Okay, let's try again. Let's do this. I want to know where the zombies are coming from though. Ah, the air is open here. Oh, I've never seen... No, wait, this is the... This looks different. I've never been here, right? Come get it! I'm gonna pick up the ammo real quick because I don't know what's going to happen next, so I'm just gonna chill over here. The music is so awesome. Come on, zombies, where are you? Show yourselves. The Crimson Head, is what annoyed me, so... Ah! Reload! Nice! This is so awesome. Ah! Stay back! Don't come any closer! Come on, are you gonna give me something? No? I'm sorry I'm not looking at chat right now because this is intense! Oh, come on! Ah! So many! Oh man, that is so intense! That was so intense! Oh man! That is so awesome! I can buy a gun. Whew. Was it from Desperate Escape? I don't know. It's not bad for FPS, I agree, Saranya. It's so good, man. So good! Try again. Try again. I'm gonna play this one more time and then we're gonna decide if you guys would like to watch something else. Would you like to watch a Resident Evil 2 remake? Like another fan-made game, obviously. I have a lot of fan-made Resident Evil games. So if you want me to keep playing this, I will keep playing this, I don't mind. It's actually fun. Or we can switch to Resident Evil 2 remake if you want. I mean, a fan-made one. I got the one made by Invader Games, I've got something made by Rod Lima, not the Resident Evil 2. Like a little mini game that he made in the Resident Evil 2 game. So if we can try anything you want, really. Let's go. Here they come. Brace yourself. Alright, get ready. Oh, come on, seriously? I'm just starting! Run, 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 run. I think this is the best strategy. Because they actually get funneled in. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? Alright, let's try this again. Come on, pick that up, pick it up! Why won't you pick it up, man? Alright, whew. Whew. No, 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 no! Not good, not good. Nice, nice! We got this. Come on! Sometimes he gets stuck! Alright, I'm pressing the wrong button, that's what's happening. Uh-oh, uh-oh! Run! Okay, there's a crimson head coming my way! No, no, not now! No! I pressed the wrong button. Face the raid? What? 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 That's a good thing I kind of paused. I didn't really pause, but I hit the Windows button. Alright, time to welcome people. Hello Tech Gaiman and hello Annie, nice to see you. I cannot read your name, I'm very sorry. I can't read your name, I'm sorry. It looks like an N. Hello Nebby and Feisty, of course, and Cascade. How is everyone? Nebby the meme. How is everyone doing? Welcome, Raiders. What I'm doing, I'm playing some Resident Evil. Ooh, that's not a nice screenshot that I saved on the pause screen. That doesn't look good. I'm sorry about that. So here's what's going on. It's actually vloggy. Stop it. You make me shy. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm playing some Resident Evil games, obviously. But these are REMAKES. So what I'm doing is I'm playing some fan-made remakes. So nothing's official here. It's just fun times. Alright, this guy's gonna get me the moment I unpause the game. Definitely. 3, 2, 1. What? No. And there we go. Actually, I didn't die right away, actually. I just let go of the keyboard and I just... that was stupid of me. Alright, whew. Okay. So, he's nervous laughing. Kind of, yeah. Kind of. Alright, so, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try this one more time. For the Raiders. I'm gonna try this again for the Raiders.
Resident Evil.
And then after this, we'll switch to a Resident Evil 2 remake. How about that? How about that? Let's go. Uh-oh. That was a... Let's go. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna waste time with the... So, Feisty, what were you playing? Tell me. I'm interested, but probably won't be looking at chat. But now that I asked the question, I will be looking at chat. Alright, come on, Zombs. Show yourselves. You know what? I'm gonna wait for you to actually get up the stairs so I can pick up the loot easily. There we go. 1. 2. Pick up the loot. There we go. And go back. The music is awesome. I wonder where they're coming from, these zombies. 1. 2. GG. Alright, let's go. Let's keep doing... Oh, Crimson Head. Alright, whew, that was close. Let's pick up some ammos. Where are they? Oh, there they come. Here they come. Okay. This is actually a good game for a fan-made. Alright, look at all that stuff on the floor. Nice. Ah, you can aim and walk. That is awesome. Ah, there's more coming up the stairs. Nice. Oh, the stuff disappeared on the floor. Okay, that's not good. Look at those coming up the stairs! So many! Look at them! Alright, get ready. This is it. This is the end. This is where I die. If I don't get the headshots, I'm a dead man. Come on! It's always the Crimson Head! Oh, it's always the Crimson Head! It's always the Crimson Head! It's always the Crimson Head! Ah, man. Give cakes. Man, it's always the Crimson... And the thing is, I get distracted and I forget that I need to reload. Die with honor. Oh, man. Shall we switch to Resident Evil... something else? Resident Evil 2, perhaps? I could go for that. Let's do that. But first, I'm gonna have to change... Well, actually, I'm not gonna change anything. I'm gonna check how many pants I have while we're at it. Pants. Pantsu. We'll need to do some work, so bye. Don't rage too much, Vloggy. Thank you so much for hanging out, Cascade. Thank you so much. Alright, let's go again. No, not again, actually. Let's try something else. We're gonna play... I forgot my controller. I'm gonna need my controller for this. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Where is it? Shall we play Remembrances? Yeah, but I will need the controller for that one. Let's play Remembrances. Why not? Let's play Remembrances. Remembrances? Is that what it's called? It's loading, guys. Be patient. You're looking at a black screen right now. Black screen goodness. Probably can't hear anything. Hold on. Windows capture. Properties. Oh, really? Oh, there we go. This is it. Has to be it. There we go. And now you can see. Dance with the Dead. I'll look it up to see if it's actually a track that actually exists. Alright, this was made by Rod Lima. We're gonna change the description of the game real quick. So, Resident Evil 2... Resident Evil 2... Fan... Remix. Why not? Let's leave it like that. There we go. There we go. Give me a sec, guys. I need to play this with the controller. Definitely. I need to play this with the controller. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick and I'll get the controller. Hold on. Alright, so I got the controller. I may have to close the game and reopen for it to... Or not. Or not. Okay. Okay. Alright. We got this. We got this. You guys can still hear me, yes? Let me just make sure of that real quick. Quick. Yes, you can. Alright, we're good. Resident Evil 2 by Rod Lima. Alright, there's nothing here. So, we can play as Wesker or we can play as Sherry. So let's play as Wesker. Guys, this is the closest thing we have to Resident Evil Remake right now. Resident Evil 2 Remake, I mean. Alright, so. Ah, this is not the right way! Where's the music? Music makes the people come together! Controls are a bit awkward, but hey, that's the best thing we got right now. Whew! Alright, now then, how do I aim and shoot? Alright, so something like this. Ah, nice. Come on, just die! Oh, it has auto aim actually. This looks so good, man. There you go, sweet herbage. That's awesome. Look at the status screen. I love that. Oh, man. Yeah, sure, why not? So I have like a menu screen. That's nice. Okay. This is awesome. Silenced pistol. Yeah, I know, right? Let me look around real quick. Hold on. Who has seen this game before? Who has seen this? Has anyone seen this before? Oh, really? I'm pretty sure there's a key down here. Feels like I'm missing something. Let me check the bin real quick. Oh, come on! The controls are kind of awkward, huh? What is that? Why is it making beep, 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 beep? Alright, I guess there isn't anything here. It's just my bad. My bad. Ah, you saw the actual game. Yes, this is not the actual game. This is just... Alright, let's get out of here. Check the bodies. No. Ah, maybe I should check the bodies. That's right. Maybe I should check the bodies. Hold on. You're right. I have a feeling there was something that those cops may have dropped, but I don't think so, no. No, I don't think so. They're gone now anyway. Oh! What? What? There you go! So, yeah, one of the bodies must have dropped this key, I think. Wow. Thank you for the tip, Flair. You must have seen this. Or not. You're very intuitive, if not. So that's the cabin key. Can I save? An old typewriter. You can save. Oh wow! Really, game? Okay, I won't save for now. It was just a guess. GG. Oh, I'm gonna save. I am gonna save. I'm just gonna look around real quick first. Then I'll save. Someone's trying to get in. It's Kendo. Die, monsters! He threw a grenade or something. Did you hear that? It went ding, ding, ding. So what's in here? Kendo's case. Okay, so we got... Oh, I can replenish my serum with this. Refill the serum? Yes. Okay, serum has been replenished. Press for thrust punch. Okay. That's a lot of ammo. I like that. So the door was locked. Kendo couldn't go through. Yep, there you go. Kendo locked it. Oh, Kendo locked it. Interesting. Can I? Oh, yes, I can. Do I kinda can. All right. I kind of can do the quick turn. It doesn't always work though. Doesn't always work. It's weird. It weirds. All right. Let me save now. I don't know if this works. Oh, it did save already. Okay. I want to try something, actually. I replenished my serum or something. Did it say that I replenished my health or something? Let's see. Well, that was the command for Wesker's superpower log. You can use them. Yeah, I know, right? Let me see. Okay, so use. Okay, and now what? 90%. Use. 80%? Ah. Can I do it again? Alright, we're gonna try this. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna try this. Okay. Guys, you're in for a surprise. Are you guys ready for a surprise? Are you guys ready? This is gonna blow you away.
Stars. Stars.
Ah! I didn't even damage him. Oh, come on, run. He's so fast! Oh my goodness, he's so fast. Seriously? Seriously? Oh man. Ah man. Oh man. This is intense. Man, my sphincter went like. Let's try it again. Let's try again. My heart is pounding. Oh, it's gone. It doesn't save. It pretends to save, apparently. It pretends to save. That's fine. We'll start over, that's fine. Try Sherry. We'll try Sherry later, no problems. We'll try Sherry later. Later. Whoa, what the heck? I just started the game already, making a run for it. You know what the fun part is? I had a green herb and I didn't even use it. So this guy drops the... No. So this guy drops the thing. This guy has the key, right? There we go. There's way too many zombies out there. See if you can change the aim style. I'm gonna try that. Hold on. How do I do that? Camera. Or over the top. What? Oh, look at this, guys. This is so awesome. Look at this. Okay, I got that. Thank you. Kendo shop key. I can go into the kendo shop now. Oh, on the other side. Let's see. Hold on. Seriously? Can I like... Nope, doesn't work. We tried. Maybe we should just make a run for it, really. You see how the Nemesis is chasing Wesker? Because, technically, Wesker is Stars. You know, it makes sense. Okay, so... It's awkward, the controls are a bit awkward. But I'm not gonna complain because... it's a free Resident Evil 2 remake. Look at this guy making a run for it. Like, I'm coming for you! Stop sprinting. This guy's like, oh, I'm in a rush to get killed. Okay. There's another guy in a rush. Look at this guy. He's like, ugh. Stay down, sucker. Trying to see if I can get rid of all of them before Nemesis shows up. Okie dokie. I'm being very careful right now because I don't want Nemesis to show up. If I make one more step, I think Nemesis is gonna be triggered. There we go.
Stars.
Run, buddy, run! Okay, he's attacking zombies. Ah, get off me! Oh no, he turned around! I'm going the wrong way! Hold on. I'm on danger. I didn't pick up the red herb. Wasn't there a red herb somewhere? Oh, man. Ah. Well, I'm still on danger. Seriously, game. Man! Alright. Okay, we get it. Mwah! Alright, that's fine. Try again, one more time. Oh, run! Oh my goodness. Run the other way, please. I'm gonna change the camera again, because it was easier to run. Maybe. Hold on. Maybe first person? Maybe it's easier to play in first person? I don't know. We're about to find out. It's easier to dodge them like this. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Hold on. You're kidding me. Really? Okay. How am I doing with health? I'm already on caution. I don't like that, but it's fine. That's fine, that's fine. We're gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna forget the red herb this time. And I think it's easier to dodge zombies like this. I don't know. Kaboom. Okay, let's go. So quiet. Come on, game. I don't think I can use this. I mean, it's very confusing to use it, but we'll try to dodge a few zombies like this. We'll see how it works. We'll see how it goes. Let's shoot a few zombies in the heads. Does he have a Joker face? Are you kidding me? Wow, I'm on danger. There we go, that's what I was going for. Whew, here we go. Seriously? Stay back. Don't come any closer. Stay back. Whew. All right. I'm gonna make a run for it. Let's go.
Stars.
Come on! Get off me! Oh, come on! He turned around! Really? Oh, come on. If I get hit by a zombie, it turns around. Come on, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Oh, so many zombies! Ah! Come on, come on, come on, come on. We can do this. We can almost do this. Or not. No, 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 no. I died. I don't think you can do this. It's impossible, I think, to take down the Nemesis. I haven't seen anyone that did it. I haven't seen anyone that did it. Oh man. I want to try again, but let's try the Sherry scenario. Sweet, sweet herbage. I love this. I love this scenario. Now, this scenario does not make sense, guys. This scenario does not make sense. So the only way we can actually... 2 helmets. The only way we can actually make sense out of this scenario is that we have to accept that Sherry is a time traveler, okay? Sherry is a time traveler. What's going on here? Hangover Sherry. Why hangover? And welcome, Alessio. Nice to see you. Judging from your name and surname, you sound Italian. Welcome. Oh, a knife. Nice. Exactly, that's what it is, Levy. That's right. You are right. In fact, there's the train over there. We can already see it. Which again does not make sense because all this blew up. So what's adult Sherry doing here? She time traveled. She time traveled. Or she's just having, I don't know, a flashback or something. Can I go up there? Nope. Oh, look at that. It changed to classic Resident Evil cameras. I like that. There's a control panel here, but it doesn't do anything. I'm spamming click or whatever. Okay. Rod Lima did such a great job with this game. It's a shame he didn't want to share it. All he did shared was this. It's better than nothing, I guess, but come on, man. She's having flashbacks. Okay. Hey, Silent Brit, welcome. You are actually Italian. I knew it. I knew it. Whoa! 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 What? Why no ammo? What? What? Yes, I hope so too, Alessio. I hope so too. He wouldn't die. I wasted all my ammo. Now what I have is this. This is all I have now. It's not good. I like her walk. There's no point to these. I'm gonna pick them up just for... I just noticed her face. Hello, Sherry. Oh, yes, let's save for nothing, because it doesn't work anyway, but... Is there stuff in here? Yes. Wow. Anything else? No. It's not an item box, it's just... What's on the floor? Platform key. Nice. I like her walk. She's got style. She has a sexy walk. If I do say so myself. Oh, come on, get through. Alright, let's go. What about this elevator? Does it work? No, power is not on. Oh, sweet herbage. I'd rather have some bullets right now, but... She's like a top model. I know, right? Ah, Sherry. Nothing in here? Nothing else? This gate is locked? Really? I guess... Oh, look at that. The stairs are silent. The stairs are silent. Is that a dead guy over there? Even the camera, the way it moves, it feels very Code Veronica-ish. Look at that. You still get fixed cameras, but they move around with you. I love that. It's Code Veronica and Outbreak as well. Hey, Angelo! Am I behaving? No, not really. I never behave. How are you, Angelo? Nice to see you. My Resident Evil fan friend. Checking system. Checking battery. Alright, hold on. What did it say? A high-yield generator that supplies power for the inside facilities on the train. The high-capacity plugs have been disconnected and the generator is not working, so apparently I need. Hey, looks like Alessia knows Mac Knight. I love it. YouTube is such a small place, eh? Everybody knows everyone. What is that on the floor? Oh, this doesn't look good. Here we go. I don't have a quick turn. Oh, I do, but it doesn't work always. It doesn't always work, so. I'm traveling across the YouTube multiverse. I like that. Storage for the high capacity plugs. Open it? Yes. Run, buddy! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Hold on! Okay, can I make a run for it? Wow, my heart is pounding right now. Can I do this? Can I pull this off? Watch and find out. I did it! I'm out! What? What just happened? What happened? What just happened? Why did I get teleported back in again? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do it again. No, I can't do anything. It won't let me. Nope. Maybe I cannot do this. Maybe this cannot be done. I don't know. Can it be done? Why did I teleport back in? It doesn't make sense. It's like she fainted and then she came back in. That doesn't make sense. Do I have to stay in and dodge him? Will you play Friday the 13th soon? Never, Mac Knight. No, it's not my thing. No, no, it's not my thing. Wow! Let me try this again one more time. I was wondering. Hey, Tibor, welcome. Game is so unoptimized, as in like the controls and stuff. The controls are a bit off, but man, it still looks good, huh? It still looks smexy. All right, let's run. I'm gonna speed run this now. I'm gonna speed run. Speed run hype. Thank you for subscribing, Alessia. I'm sorry, I have notifications off right now. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking when I set up the stream. I didn't think it was gonna be like a successful stream, to be honest. I'm like, nobody's gonna subscribe to my channel when I'm streaming this. Nobody knows this game. Honestly, that's what I thought. And I had a donation and like, oh man, I didn't have notifications set up. So thank you so much for subscribing. What game is this? This is Resident Evil 2 Remake, Angelo. It's out already. Didn't you know that? It's out. You buy it and it's yours. I'm kidding. This is a fan made. This is by Rod Lima. I think I've seen you on his streams before. Powered by Unreal Engine. Mac Knight knows. I'm playing some fan-made Resident Evil games this evening. That's what I'm doing. Chillin'. Playing some fan-made Resident Evil games. Not many people have seen these, so that's why I'm playing, to show them off. So this is locked, yes? And the power of the elevator is off. Yep, 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 yep. Come on, yep, yep, yep. Say that it's off. No, you're not gonna try? You're not gonna bother? No, not bother? Not bother? Yes, you did bother. Once. Anyway. That dog. Can I attack? I've seen a few different ones. She's having a flashback. Alright, we've seen that. I was wondering if I should do a song request tonight, like I did last week. Shall we? Shall we? Man, but Pippa's not here today. I can't do a live stream without her. I mean, I can, but... Alright, do I attack the dog, or should I just run away? Ah, it's a liquor this time! What? 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 It's a liquor! No! No, get out of here! What's happening? I don't know! I don't know what's happening! Stay away from me! You know what? There we go. Whew. Did I get hurt? Well, I'm on caution. You just need to waste time. You just need to waste time. This time it was a liquor. How weird, eh? Okay, I don't know where the other herb was. I don't know. I remember there was another somewhere, but I don't know. It was a liquor, Tibor. That is the point of my channel. I like to play Resident Evil games that are not that popular, kind of, like obscure titles. That's what I do. So if you love Resident Evil and you don't like mainstream, no, you don't like, everybody loves mainstream Resident Evil, but I'm talking about if you like to see somewhat different ones, that's what we do. That's what I do. That's what we all do here, actually. I play and you guys watch. Can I go up there? No. Let's go. Let's go! We open the key and let's go through. Yeah, it just spawned. It was like a flashback or something. I don't know. No, 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 no. There's an herbage. I'm gonna take that. I am going to pick that up. And I don't like the way OBS is behaving right now. OBS, behave. I'm gonna heal. Alright, so let's back at this again. I'm gonna give it another chance. Alright, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it another shot. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's maybe I need to waste time like you do with the game. You know, like the actual game, you waste time till 8. I don't know if 8 is gonna throw a rocket launcher or anything. I don't know if this is a flashback and I need to do the same thing with the liquor, just waste some time, you know? So let's try again. I don't know. The moment I walked out, it's like she fainted and she came back in. Maybe I'm not supposed to do that? I don't know. Okay. Oh, there's another herbage here as well. That's good. You see, I think maybe I'm supposed to dodge. Hold on. This is a red herb, I think. Oh, that's useless. I should have combined it. But. Here we go. Ah! No, not like that. Do not kill me, game. Please. Please, I tell you, please. Come on, pick them up. Pick them up. Pick them up. 1, 2, out. All right, no problem, no problem. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I think. Oh, come on, game. No, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Maybe this is where the game ends. Once again, I've never seen anyone beat this. I've never seen anyone beat this game, so I don't know. Maybe it cannot be beat. I don't know. I don't know. Wanna go for another Resident Evil fan remake? I got more. I just need to find them, really. I just need to find them. If you want to bear with me while I look it up, I wonder where it is. Somewhere on my computer. Has to be. Remember, since we played it already. Okay, that's good. And then I'm browsing my computer files right now, like a boss. BHG's Biohazard. That's the first game. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I need to minimize this. I'm gonna browse documents real quick. Make fixed camera great again. Alright, so Mario 7 Remake. That's not Mario 7 Remake, it's not. That's the game I played earlier. That's what it was called. Where is it? CM. I think that's it. Public demo. Is this it? CM. I'm gonna close this real quick because there's no point in keeping this open. I don't think it's this one. Where is it? I'm gonna find it. You just need to be patient. Vlog, your naughty friend is smoking cigarettes again. Who? What? Who? What you talk about? I don't have naughty friends. Is it you? Is it you, Angelo? Are you smoking again? Where is it? Oh man. That's not it. Oh man, I cannot find it. Bear with me, guys. I'm gonna find this. CF. Is this it? What's CF? I forgot where I put all my games. RE Police Station, that's not the one. I can't remember the name. RE7. I need to reorganize myself. It's none of this. Man, this is gonna take forever. Yes, don't smoke, my friend. There it is, I found something. Alpha. Okay, I found it, guys. Are you guys ready? You're gonna love this. Are you guys ready? I found it. Is it gonna be running in full screen? If it's gonna be running in full screen, hold on, is this it? Reborn, there it is. Yes, that's the one. Okay, good. Display, play. All right, here we go. I found it. Guys, are you guys ready? All right, I don't know if I can use my controller for this one. May have to use the computer. Give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna give you an image real quick. Refresh. Okay, and whoa, I may have to shrink this. Let's shrink this a little bit. There we go. I don't know why it happened. Why it went so big, but we'll shrink. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready for some Resident Evil action? All right. Alright. Can we press start? Does it work? Nope, my controller does not respond to this, so I may have to use the keyboard. There we go. Are you guys ready? This is gonna be a pain to control because this is even more broken, but it looks gorgeous. I mean, this game goes as far as the police station, the first clicker. Hola, Marilyn, or Merlin, or hi, Wolfan. Wolflan, actually, Wolflan. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's go.
Resident Evil 2.
Okay, I need to figure out how to use it because I haven't played this game in... Alright, so. Oh man, it's... How do I run? Like this. The music is very off. I don't know if you can hear the music, but it's very off. Can I run past them?
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Can you hear it?
Fire! I'm a human!
Can you hear it?
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
That's it. But you should be safe inside here. How do you aim and shoot? I don't know. I honestly don't know. So I'm just gonna push a lot of buttons right now. Alt perhaps? Ooh, Alt. Alright, and then you can choose where you shoot. Ah, nice. Okay. Nice. Man, but it's so... That's fine. Can we pick this up? Can we pick this up? I don't think we can. I don't think it's possible. No. At least this guy doesn't jump. Alright. So weird. By the way, guys, just so you know, this is the remake that got cancelled by Capcom. This is the remake that was cancelled by Capcom. They were doing it. They were doing this remake, and Capcom told them to stop. This is the Invader Games. This is the Italian. This is the Italian group team that was working on this game. This is it. This is the game that they were working on. Invader Games. It's a pain that I cannot pick these up, though. Oh, okay. So... Okay. It's weird to control the movement, but hey. This is not Gary's mod, as if. As if. Can I go back? I'm gonna go back to help him. Can I do that? Yeah, there's zombies now. Let's shoot a few. It's so quiet though. Ooh, nice, it works. I'm not gonna attack them actually, I changed my mind. It's a waste of ammo. You see what the Italians gave us? This is a good, they did a good job. The Italians are awesome. I don't think. Actually, no! They can grab me from the... Yeah, I forgot they could do that. They can actually grab you through the fence. Oh, man. Uh-oh, that is not good. That is not good. Can I go through this gate? No, I have to kill them. I have to take them down. I have to take them down. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Am I out of ammo? No! Don't die, please. Don't die, huh? No! Please don't kill me. I have so much to live for. It should say red drum on the wall. Does it say it? He's coming, huh? He is coming, but no. I hate that there's no music though. Why no music? Give us some atmosphere. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Run, 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 run. Can you run? Yes, you can. You can. You're gonna do this. Keep running. Keep running. Run for it, Marty. Whew. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We got this. They don't see me. They don't see me. Can I go through here? Hey, Zomb. You can't get me. You can't get me. You're seriously not walking through the car, are you? Are you walking through the car? Seriously? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, seriously, game? Oh, man. I'm logged. No! They can't walk through cars, and I can't. That's not fair. That's not fair, game. Come on, man. Oh, that is cheap. I died. I died. Yes, I know that they're working on Daymare. Yes, I want to see that. I want to see that. But first I want to see what it's going to be like before I commit to buying it. And I don't even know how they're doing with the Kickstarter. Little bug. Little bug. Actually, did you guys notice before they appeared, the zombies, they looked like they appeared in their T-shaped form? So anyway, yeah. Hello, Toby. Dog in a suit. Bork. Lel. Alright, let's go again. One more time. We're gonna finish this demo. Come on. Come on. We can do this. Let's do this.
Resident Evil 2.
Alright, we're gonna do this. Let's go. If we're quiet, we can hear the dialogue.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hold your fire! I'm a human!
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
Alright, there we go. We have to do this. We have to finish this. We have to. Come on.
Ah!
No! Look at the way he turns. Poor guy. Poor Leon. Oh no! They didn't open it now. It didn't trigger the thing. It didn't open. It didn't trigger the opening of the gate. It should have opened, but it didn't. Another bug. Another bug! Get down! It didn't open. It should have opened, but... We're done. We're gonna have to start over because it didn't work. Oh, come on, seriously, game? There's no way! It's not working. It's not working. It's not working now. This should have opened, but zombies weren't triggered. Oh. Let's try again. No problems. We try again. We exit the game and we go back in. I'm gonna have to do this.
Resident Evil 2.
Come on, I want to show you the police station. Dialogue again.
What are you doing here?
Hold your fire! I'm a human!
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that, babe.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
But you should be safe inside here. I'm keeping a close eye on things. Alright, let's try again. If I hug the wall on this side, I should be able to see if there's any zombies.
Ah!
Yeah. Okay. Are there any zombies generated here? No, there aren't. It's not gonna work. There should be zombies here. There should be zombies here. It's not gonna work. Let's go back in. Maybe the game wants us to go back in. I don't know. Nope. Let's get out of here. Please, come on. Trigger zombies now. Are there zombies out here? They're here. Okay, good. There we go. Now it worked. Okay, so aim is with Alt and start shooting. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, game. Don't do this to me. Or maybe I should make it around, just make a run for it. I don't know. Can I? Can I? No, I cannot make a run for it. I'm gonna get bitten by every single one of them. Or not. Whoa. And he decided not to run as well. Come on, let's go. Please don't die. Alright, we're doing this. Okay, can I make a run for it? Yes, yes, yes. Hug the wall, and boom. Alright, we're doing this. Let's go to the police station. This time, I am not going to... I am not. Did you see the T form again? Let's go through here. Whew. This is very dark right here. I can't see anything. But at least there's no zombies. Which is good. Now, this could be a bit crowded down here. Yeah, there's a lot of zombies. I just need to make a run for it. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And we made it. We're in the Raccoon Police Raccoon Police Department. Alright. And there's a zombie down there. No, thank you very much. I will take the stairs. Maybe there's Brad. Brad? Are you down there? Oh, it's locked. Ah, well played, game. I forgot about this. Well played. Oh, wow. Plenty of zombies! You know, I'm gonna go in. I don't care. Let's go in, let's go in. Yes! Where's the music? If I go down the stairs, I won't be able to go back up. That is a bug. I can't go in. It doesn't work. It won't work. Oh, whoa! But it looks like they've rendered what's behind the door. That is very interesting. Wow, look at that! It looks like they already rendered what was... I mean, they already pre-finished stuff. They just didn't want us to see that. Come on, Invader Games. Look at that. That is well made, actually. Come on. I can't go through. No, it won't. Won't let me through. But it was nice to take a look. Nice. GG. Can I go back out here? I'm just curious. Can I go back out again? No. The game is like, nope. Point of no return. Ah, the gate existed but was open and really? I'll be on the lookout for that. Oh, look at this. Okay, so there's nothing outside this room. Alright, let's go. I should have put some music, some Resident Evil 2 main hall music. Anything in here? Can I pick up anything? Nope. Nothing to interact with? Nope. Nope. But is there anything behind this door? We can look. No, there isn't actually. This is the other room over there. There's nothing. Hey! Coinsy, you joined? Welcome. Nice to have you. Alright, so we can't go back up the stairs, right? No, I told you. Alright, let's go. Oops, walking through the wall. Nothing. It's so quiet. This is the only thing I don't like in this demo. That it's quiet. Now I saw somebody, a very smart somebody, that actually managed to shoot the liquor. You see, that is the point of the end of the game. You can't get past the liquor. The liquor, I think, is invincible or something. Or mega strong, I don't know. Can we perhaps... We're gonna give this a shot. It's intended to prevent you from progressing in the game, really, so... Trying to see how the best way to go about it. Maybe if I shoot it, I don't know. No. You get stun locked on purpose. Oh, there it is. Maybe we can hit it. This is intended to end the demo here. But maybe... Can we get past them? We are going to get past them. Oh. But nothing happens. There's nothing behind this door. I mean, no. Nothing. Literally nothing. Oh, look. Can we kill the liquor? Oh, feels like we're going to kill the liquor. Am I out of ammo? Sometimes it shoots, sometimes it doesn't. Come on. Come on. Come on, shoot! Now he's just... Oh, the game is broken. The game is broken. Look at this. He's not walking anymore. He's stuck in this position. It's not working anymore. I was supposed to die. I am stuck in this position now. It's not working. It is not working. And he's not even walking. Nothing. It's broken. That's as far as I could go. The smartest clicker ever. Oh man. Nobody's ever made it this far. I mean, like, further than this. And I don't think there's anything behind that door either, to be honest with you. But he's frozen. Oh, sorry. He's frozen. Completely frozen. I mean, I'm trying to get out of the aim thing, but it's not working. He's frozen. He's blocked. Want to look at one last Resident Evil 2 remake thingy? You've probably all seen it because it's on my channel. I already played this and it's like a video. We can try it again if you want. We can play it again because that's how I roll. All right. So my downloads. Give me a sec. I want to find this real quick. So. CM? Ah, that's the Resident Evil 3.5. I don't feel like playing that, to be honest with you. But there's a police station one. I want to play it. It's so well made. I want to find it. Bear with me. Okay, I cannot find it, but I'm gonna search for it real quick. Hold on. Has to be somewhere here. Hold on. There it is. Found it. You guys ready for another one? Another Resident Evil 2 remake fan thingy. It's like Gun Survivor, PC version, the same bugs. Yeah. Alright. Oh, this one's in full screen. Oh, okay. So this means I'm gonna have to fix OBS real quick. Hold on. I hope you can see it. Sometimes when it's a full screen. Okay. I think we're okay. Yes, we're good. I think it's too big though. Let's see if we can fit it in the whole screen again. Gonna fix it real quick and nice. There we go. I hope you can hear it. I hope there's... Can you hear the beep beep beep? Can you hear the beep beep beep? Alright, this one does not involve shooting or anything like that. So, yeah. It's just, like, we're just visiting the police station really. That looks so good. I want to make sure that you guys... Yeah, you can hear it. I just wanted to make sure that you can. Oh, wow! What is this? What the heck? Oh man, but it's lagging, huh? Maybe I could just adjust the frames per second or something? Video settings, hold on, because it's very laggy. Graphic quality, let's go to... let's go medium. And... Alright, I think we're better now. Hold on. But now I made changes, so OBS is like, what? Hold on a sec, guys. I want to give you the best experience ever. Okay, Gonna be better now. I want to give you the best experience. It's laggy. Yeah, it's not. No, it's just the game. It's just the game. You see, it's better now. It just fixed it. Let's go. Oh, much better. Look at this, guys. Is it smooth? Is it smoother now? Huh? And wow, I can play it with my PS3 controller. It's fantastic, guys. It's fantastic. Alright, hold on. I want to check something real quick. Alright, let's go. Sorry about that. Much better now. You've never seen this, Levy? Come on, man. This is where they have a smoke break, apparently. Wow, you can run as well. Sweet herbage. Nice. And I don't have a card key. That's fine. Pushing the chair, pushing the chair. That's a fun game. Look at this. Looks like there's no laws of physics in this police station. Look at this. Look at this. I bet you didn't see a chair in Resident Evil. Resident Evil 2, huh? Huh? Oh, it's going up the stairs. The chair is going up the stairs. I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, the zombie echoes are fantastic. Oh, this thing resets. V4! V4 var V4. Going up the ladder. The chair is still there. Look at that. This is so awesome, man. This game. This is what... If Resident Evil 2 Remake looked like this, I wouldn't mind the first person, honestly. Look at this. The detail is fantastic. The last time we've seen Capcom remaking this police station, last time we've seen it do it, we've seen them do it was in Umbrella Corps, and it looked awful. This is so much better, man. Chair's still there. It's really humbling when you think about it. It's like how it's humbling for Capcom when you see the fans. They did such a good job when they do a better job than the official creators of the game. You know, it's. Even the tiles on the floor, look at that. It's fantastic. It's amazing. The chair. Oh, where'd it go? Alright, that's pretty much it for this game, really. There's nothing else. It's just... oh, the chair. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go, because that's pretty much it. I played, like, how many Resident Evil games did I play? I played Resident Evil 1... 2, 3, I'm trying to think, count the games. Resident Evil 1 remake. Then I played like 2 remakes, Rodlimas and Invader games, and this one. That's 4 different Resident Evil fan games that I played this evening, and that's pretty much it. I've got a few more, but I'm gonna stop there because getting hungry. Hey, Fat Man Lynch! Is there any zombie? No, it's just a police station simulator, really. That's pretty much it. Guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you really enjoyed the stream, I appreciate a like. So make sure you hit like on your way out. And I appreciate a like on your way out. And if you love Resident Evil, especially obscure titles, okay? Especially obscure titles. You know, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe because I play lesser known Resident Evil games. I played the mainstream ones as well. Sometimes with the mainstream ones I even mess around, mod it, so it looks a bit different as well. I do all that kind of stuff. Anyway guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Take care, and I will see you probably tomorrow. I'm going to be playing something tomorrow as well. We shall see. Take care guys.